to welcome you all on the occasion of the 75th Annual General Meeting of the Indian Banks Association. I am Mukti Pansare, your host, and I will be taking you through today's program. Our program today has three segments. We will first have the business session. Next is the valedictory session at 5 p.m., followed by the ease event at 6 p.m. Post the ease event around 7 p.m., we would request nodal officers to gather in the assembly hall for the Pillar 2 interactions with DFS. Ladies and gentlemen, the business session will commence in a short while. Kindly keep your mobile phones on silent mode, please. Thank you. I now invite the office bearers of the association to the dais for the business session. Shri A.K. Goel, Chairman IBA and Managing Director and CEO, Punjab National Bank. Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Deputy Chairman IBA and Chairman, State Bank of India. Shri L.V. Prabhakar, Deputy Chairman IBA and Managing Director and CEO, Canara Bank. Shri Rakesh Sharma, Deputy Chairman IBA and Managing Director and CEO, IDBI Bank Limited. Shri Madhav Nair, Honorary Secretary IBA and Country Head and CEO, Mashrek Bank PSC. Shri Sunil Mehta, Chief Executive IBA. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now commence the business session of the 75th Annual General Meeting of the Association. We now request Shri A.K. Goel, Chairman IBA, to kindly conduct the business session. Over to you, Chairman, sir.
May I now put the resolution for adoption the annual report to vote? Resolved that the annual report 2021-22 of the association duly circulated.
I request all of you to kindly remain seated as we await the arrival of our chief guest, Srimati Nirmala Sitaramanji, Honorable Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Shri Bhagwat Kishan Rao Kararji, Honorable Minister of State for Finance, and Shri Sanjay Malhotra ji, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Government of India, in a short while from now. Join me in welcoming our chief guest for today, Honorable Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitaramanji. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause, please. Welcome, ma'am. You may join us on the dais, please. I request Chairman SBI, Chairman IBA, and Chief Executive IBA to join us on the dais, please. We also have our guest of honor, Shri Kararji, on the dais, and Secretary, Department of Financial Services, on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, I extend a hearty welcome to you all on the 75th Annual General Meeting of the Indian Banks Association. We now move on to the lighting of the traditional lamp. May I now request Shri A.K. Goel, Chairman IBA, to lead the Honorable Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Honorable Minister of State for Finance, and Secretary DFS for lighting of the lamp. I also request the other dignitaries on the dais to join them, please. After the auspicious beginning, may I now request Shri A.K. Goel, Chairman IBA, to deliver his welcome address and give an overview of the activities of Indian Banks Association during the year. Over to you, Chairman, sir.
It is really my pleasure to welcome you all this annual event of the association. This is the 75th annual general meeting of the IBA.
Thank you, sir, for your address and for elaborating the activities of IBA. May I now request Shri Sanjay Malhotra ji, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, to please address the members.
We in the department and the government, we value this relationship with IBA. IBA has been in the forefront of various activities, whether it is the ECLGS or the EASE program.
Thank you, sir, for your address. I now invite our guest of honor, Honorable Minister of State for Finance, Shri Kararji, to please address the members.
Secretary of DFS, Sri Sanjay Ji Malhotra, IBA Chairman, Sri A.K. Goel Ji, Deputy Chairman, Sri Dinesh Kharaj.
We sincerely thank you, sir, for your message and insights to the bankers. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute honor to invite the chief guest, the Honorable Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman Ji, to kindly address the audience.
That the IBA's trajectory is very much aligned with Free India's trajectory, and as a result, most often, either by default or by the choice of the IBA, you end up serving the nation, keeping yourself aligned with national priorities. And therefore, there's always been a synchronization of banking functions and also government policy. So there's enough and more reasons to recollect how that path has helped India move up and grow, particularly in the last 10 years, I would think.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your invaluable guidance, your encouraging words of appreciation, and for sparing your valuable time for the benefit of our distinguished audience. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the unveiling of the prestigious coffee table book. This memorable document will take you down memory lane depicting the association's activities for the past 76 years. I request the Honorable Chief Guest to kindly unveil the coffee table book. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, our AGM function stands concluded. I thank all of you for your participation and cooperation in the smooth conduct of today's program. The EASE event for public sector banks will commence at the same place in about 15 to 20 minutes from now. In 10 minutes from now, there's a correction. We now request our Chief Executive to kindly escort our Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, and Secretary DFS for high tea. Managing Committee members are requested to proceed for high tea at the Assembly Hall. Towards my right, our team will be guiding you. Chief Executives, MDs and CEOs of member banks and other dignitaries to join us at the Forum Capital Hall. Our team will guide you, please.